Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to give you a tour of my craft room. The reason I haven't had a lot of videos lately is because I have been cleaning it out. This is how it looks now. I have it set up. Still seems a little cluttered, but this section right here is giveaway section. Yeah. Some things I left the way they were because I didn't mind them that way, but I got rid of this huge cabinet. It housed a lot of things, but I wanted to give myself more space. All of this stuff in here has either been reorganized, it's put someplace else, or I have purged and or weeded it out. So that's my printer over there. Not a great printer. Let me just tell you that. It's a Canon Pixma. Anyway, so my paints are in those bins, the long tall bins. A lot of my junk journal stuff here. All my papers are in this container, which is a really cool container. And also some right there. My art journals, stamps and scraps, my workspace and where I do my filming right there, and then my closet. My closet is really nice, and I cleaned out my closet most. The shelves had books on them that were supposed to be for junk journaling, and I took most of them and they're going to go to Goodwill. I kept a few. And then what I replaced the space with was the journals that I have already created. And some reference materials down low. And some pictures of my sisters and my mom and me and my daughter. On the other side, I have a metal rack that I bought at Home Depot. It's really nice, very adjustable. And miscellaneous stuff on this side. My fabric bins. My Christmas bin, and miscellaneous stuff. There's a yarn container and some adhesives container, my jewelry supplies, jewelry making supplies. Those are my art travel bins when I go on a trip and I want to take supplies with me. So I'm glad I was able to purge a little bit. And underneath here, this is a huge bag of garbage. And I think I'm going to give away my Cricut. It's old, but it's nice still. These two bins, I'm giving them away, and all this stuff that's in them, books and craft supplies, this too as well. And I've got to have a heater in this room because this is one of the coldest rooms in the house. It's a corner room, a 1959 house, and yeah, it was 60 degrees before I turned my heater on in here. So. And this little thing I have up here, have patience with everything that remains unsolved in your heart, live in the question. And here is the process of it all. In process. So it's not a detailed show, but there you go. It's a peek into my craft room. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.